Frustrated with fences that fail under Florida's extreme weather? Lakeland Fence Pros is the go-to team in Polk County for reliable fence installation and repair. They specialize in durable wood, vinyl, aluminum, and chain link fences, plus privacy fences, pool enclosures, and custom gates built for your home. Every project is hurricane-ready, HOA compliant, and built to handle Florida's tough conditions. Upgrade security, privacy, curb appeal, and property value with fencing that lasts. See why homeowners rely on Lakeland Fence Pros. Call today for a free estimate at 863-240-0688. Let's have fun and get it done. You deserve it.